Hi, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns and welcome to Sewing School. Today we're turning a tube, a knit fabric tube that we've sewn together. So basically it's a long skinny piece of fabric that we've sewn right sides together down the long end, and now we got to turn that baby right side out. Luckily for us, Jessica has shot a video explaining exactly how to do this using only a bobby pin. It's amazing. And even more awesome is one of her kids actually shot the video. So check it out. She's going to show you how it's done.
Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to turn spaghetti straps right side out. I find that using a bobby pin works incredibly well. The first thing I do is I make a really small snip near the top of my tie, and then I put my bobby pin into it like that. Can you zoom in, Jenny? I did. Okay. So you push it in, and you can see how, like, on the top it's out and then it's tucked in, and then you just keep pushing. Once you are able to hold on to the end of the bobby pin, you can come down here and use your fingernails just to pull a little bit off. And then you should be able to pull it through fairly quickly because it's stretchy material. And then you can take your bobby pin off and you're good to go.
Who knew turning a tube was going to be so easy, and with a bobby pin no less. Super exciting, super fun, super useful. So if you liked this video, be sure to like it, comment below, tell us what you liked about it, and subscribe so that you can be a part of our community and you get notifications of any time we do something new. And I will see you next time on Sewing School. Bye.